What's the deep dive into needs phase in this life cycle? This is the 9 phases of a product manager's life cycle in the product development life cycle. And the third phase is deep diving into needs. This is after you have realized that there is a problem which you are prioritizing to solve, but this is before you already have a shared understanding of the problem statement or the use case to be solved. This is when you're trying to deep dive and understand the user needs. It could be in terms of customer interviews, user interviews, or ethnographic research, any kind of way where you're shadowing the customers through their day to day or their usage of your product to understand this problem statement. It could be also in terms of data. So, empathy and data. Data could be in terms of product analytics or support tickets, forum posts. So, a mix of uh, qualitative data, which I'd call as support or forums, because you can read a lot of emails and threads there, and quantitative data, which would be your product analytics. How did people land on this product? What did they click or what did they not click, and where did they go from there? Connecting all these dots would help you understand deeply what's the problem that customers have and why. And so you that will be then useful for you in your next phase of synthesizing all of that. So this can be in terms of user interviews, that's the illustration here. It can be in terms of product analytics, that's this other illustration. It can result in a kind of customer journey map where you're talking about this is where customers start from. If they do this, they reach here. If they do that, they reach here. And then they are not sure, so they may go at point A, B, or C. And at point C is where we are facing a problem. That could be an example of understanding this problem statement. And lastly, these are some keywords that you could use to highlight your skills in your stories on your resume bullet points.